Margaret Fuller once quoted, "Today a reader, tomorrow a leader." Many of us have heard our grandparents talk about how they miss the smell of a new book and spending more time reading books than playing video games. Today's generation is completely tied up to online video games that do not help them in academics or developing individual confidence. Reading books at an early age can do wonders to your child's growth and overall personality. In today's age of rapidly progressing technology, scores of social media platforms, and constant notifications, your child finds it difficult to concentrate and develop a reading habit. But do not worry. With proper methods and techniques, you can turn your child into a little bookworm. In this video, we will help you to shape up your child's future, starting from benefits to how to inculcate reading skills in your child. We have it all covered. Let us talk about the benefits of developing reading skills since childhood. Improves communication. Reading is the best way to learn new words and use them in daily expression. Also, it will help your child to improve their grammar, in-depth understanding of a topic, and overall communication. Better ability to comprehend. The ability to understand or to analyze the cause and effect of a scenario is developed by kids who start reading at an early age. Let me make it easy for you. Ask your child to start reading aloud. It helps in memory improvement and strong analytical thinking skills. Take the stress out of learning. Why do children feel reading is a stressful thing to do? How can you make your child enjoy reading? For some kids, reading doesn't come easy, and it's okay. The best way to make them enjoy reading is by creating an environment they'd like. For example, give them a gift after they finish reading a book, or ask them to pick up their favorite book and reread it for you. Reading skills build personality. Reading books at an early age helps in shaping up their character. The impact of reading has a massive impact on building their personality. They will approach life from a different perspective and also discover their hidden selves. Ultimately, the personal development of the child happens by reading. Enable your child to make his or her own examples. When a child reads books, he or she can create their own examples by relating to their personal experience. This way, they tend to remember the information better and have a good understanding of the topic. Helps you bond with your child. Imagine snuggling on the bed with your little one and having long talks after a hectic day, especially when it serves the purpose of preparing them for the future ahead. Read the same book so that you know their thoughts on it. Ask who their favorite character is, which part of the book was more interesting, what is their overall learning, and share your thoughts with them. It's a lovely ritual to build a bond with your child. Sparks curiosity. Let your child explore different books on different topics. Let them be open to all the possibilities and opportunities the world has to offer your little one. Let's say your child reads a book on a famous painter. Let them pick up the paintbrush, or maybe they would like to understand other forms of art. Every book they read will unfold a new path. Do not hold them back. Develop concentration. Due to excessive usage of mobile phones, children have lost concentration power and parents cannot stop worrying about it. One of the best ways to overcome the problem of concentration is to start reading. Keep their phone away or put it on silent mode. One task at a time is an excellent method to develop concentration for your child. Take baby steps while working on their overall improvements. Don't be harsh on them when they take time to inculcate reading skills. Now that we know the benefits of reading at an early age, how do we start helping our little one develop the habit? We will provide you 4 ways to get them started right away. Start early. Choose books carefully. Let your child choose. Read their favorites again and again. To all the newbie parents out there, we know it gets hard, but take it slowly as your child takes time to learn and inculcate the habit of reading. Help your child grow with a curious mind full of wonder and intelligence that sparks the light within. So what are you waiting for? Start today and be witness to your kids' overall growth.